Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for GM's 2007 to 2013 1500 pickups. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Clear the work area. Step 2. Unbolt the truck's bed and lift it to create working clearance. Remove any fuel lines, brackets, or components from the work area. Remove the rear leaf spring and shackle from the hanger. Step 3. This rear frame repair kit covers the section of frame that houses the rearmost leaf spring hanger and trailer hitch mount. Remove the rearmost leaf spring hanger by cutting the retaining rivets. Unbolt or cut the retaining hardware to remove the trailer hitch mount. Use a hammer and punch to clear all mounting holes. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply a weld-through primer. Slide the rear frame section into place using the factory frame holes for alignment. Use a hammer to seat the section snug on the frame rail. Step 5. C-clamp the frame section in place and confirm alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the section in place, then fully weld all edges. MIG or SICK welding is recommended. Step 6. Install the rearmost leaf spring hanger and trailer hitch mount using the included hardware. The kit includes M10 hex bolts and M10 nylon insert flange lock nuts. Both the M10 bolts and lock nuts use a 15mm socket. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster rust converter and primer spray paint. Once dry, reinstall any fuel lines or brackets that were removed. Reinstall the rear leaf spring and shackle, then lower and reinstall the bed.